How to Play Bass Guitar, your step-by-step guide to playing bass guitar. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Sam Slidell. Introduction. Where the bass came from. The double bass, also known as contrabass, bass fiddle, or upright bass, is the largest and lowest pitch bowed string instrument. Its size reaches up to about 6 feet and has 4 strings. The double bass can be played with a bow or by just plucking the strings. Also called the bass violin, it is from the string family of instruments, viol family or viola da gamba, which originated from Europe in the 15th century. The double bass was widely used during the Renaissance and Baroque period and is still being used in Eastern European folk music. The electric bass. The modern electric bass was derived from the double bass or the bass violin. Its appearance is similar to that of a guitar. The only difference is that the bass guitar has a longer neck and scale length and has 4 thick strings. The bass guitar is also notated in the F clef or bass clef. The first electric bass was invented by a musician named Paul Tutmarc in 1930. Tutmarc's bass fiddle, Model 736, or bass violin, has 4 strings and with frets. The size is about 30.5-inch scale, making the instrument easier to hold and transport. Leo Fender created the precision bass, P-bass, in 1951. It became the first mass-produced and most widely used bass, which was also considered to be the first real electric bass. The Gibson Corporation then followed Fender's lead, releasing a violin-shaped bass called EB1 bass in 1953. Since the 1950s, Leo Fender's precision bass, P-bass, has largely replaced the double bass as the instrument of choice for making low-pitched bass lines in different genres of music, although it is also used for soloing and creating melodies in jazz and funk. What you will learn. In this ebook, we will concentrate specifically on how to play the electric bass. Learning the electric bass is easier for the following reasons. Formal lessons and training is not necessary to learn simple songs. It is used more in most forms of music. It is much more convenient and portable. Playing bass in rock. The electric bass, used in a rock context, can provide a good starting point for beginner bassists. Rock bass lines, compared to its classical, jazz, or funk counterparts, are rarely more complicated and are more easily recognizable and can have good steady rhythms and simple, easy-to-follow melodies. A novice player will also be able to play through a whole song by using a pick rather than using the fingers, which can be more difficult to begin with. Your role in a band. The electric bass is typically used to play music performed by a band. Generally, your role as the bassist in the band is to provide the following: support the song's beat with the drummer, provide rhythm, adding the groove, keeping the steady rhythm, creating catchy bass lines to add textural variations to the melody of the music.